We've got a 1969 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible, and go ahead and start it up. What you'll see here is the original engine had 4 carburetors. Tough to keep those running, and there's an aftermarket fuel injection system, EFI, that was installed a couple years ago. It boosted the horsepower from 140 to 164. Car starts, runs beautifully. That unit is available through Clark's Corvair or Brown's for $1,700, plus you got to pay to install it. Have all the replacement parts for the engine that we took off, the old air cleaner, the manifolds, everything, carburetors. So if someone did want to go back, which I don't see why, it's available and it's with the car. And next we're going to do the lights. There's one blinker, there's the other, brake lights, and we'll do the back. There's the backup lights. Next we're going to put the top down. The cylinders and the motor's been replaced. You see how nice and easy it goes down. It's like new. Top is in nice condition, by the way. And what we've got here is these are Hands 5-lug alloy wheels, and those are still available today. They were actually designed by John Fitch, race car driver, and those cost about $370 a piece from Clark's Corvair. Those also have new tires on it. There's the trunk. Trunk is in great condition. There's your jack and wrenches, plus an extra one. Everything's in great shape. Look at the I guess trunk hood, you'd call it. I'll back up. Let's put the headlights on. Headlights are on. There's the bright lights. There's the blinker. There's the other side. So all the lights work. There's the windshield wipers. Next we're going to go for a little ride. See, the top goes up nice and easy. That's a newer top, great condition. Back window's clear. And I'll get in it and we'll take it for a little ride.
All the lights work on the dash. Got your parking brake light that's on, just disengaged. Radio does not work.
Yep. Everything else works. I think the clock works on this. Clock does work.
Yep.
And this is a 4-speed, factory 4-speed. And we'll just take it for a quick little ride down the block. It shifts, drives great. No issues with the car at all. Heater works. How about the horn after? There's the horn. There's the car coming there. Car's got a lot of pickup. I think it's a little extra horsepower with the fuel injection, but the response and handling is really, really good. So if you're looking for a last year 1969 Chevrolet Corvair, give Dream Cruise Classics a call at 586-453-9316. Great car, priced right.